presented in. You can think of them as being a hot dog bun and the antigen being the hot dog. And so any antigen presenting cell has to have an MHC molecule in which it is presenting the antigen in. Okay? There are two types of MHC molecules. MHC1 molecules are found on antigen-presenting cells and are read by helper T cells. MHC2 molecules are found on all other cells and are recognized by cytotoxic T cells. If you don't have an MHC molecule in your cell is going to be destroyed.
The first ones are read by who?
Helper T cells. And they're found, MHC1 molecules are found on antigen-presenting cells. And MHC2 molecules are found on all other molecules. Interesting story about MHC molecules is women have the ability to detect the type of MHC molecule that you are producing, that men are producing. Through their olfactory sense, they can detect MHC molecules, and for mating selection, they prefer men that have MHC molecules that are dissimilar to their own. Which makes sense, because you don't want to be mating with somebody who's got the same MHC molecules, you know. Inbreeding, all kinds of things can happen that way. So women prefer men that have dissimilar MHC molecules, unless they're pregnant. And if they're pregnant, they have a tendency to favor men that have similar MHC molecules. Theory is that if they're pregnant, then they're probably wanting somebody that's going to be more nurturing, and family is more nurturing, and so similar molecules seem to be the better choice. Here's the problem with that. In 1960, we started, American public became exposed to the pill. And women started taking the pill. Increase in the pill started early 60s and continued to rise late 60s into the 70s. What does the pill do? It mimics pregnancy, doesn't it? So now you've got women that are on the pill and they're favoring men with more similar MHC molecules because they think they're pregnant, or at least their body thinks they're pregnant. What happened in the late 60s, early 70s? Divorce rates started to go up too. Divorce rates almost doubled during that time. I know correlation is not causation, but I'm just kind of saying that we introduce these chemicals to our bodies, and we don't really understand necessarily all they do. And our amygdala, which is a small little part of our brain, which is responsible for our emotional response and our sexual drive, is influenced by these hormones. It is also the part of the brain that is detecting the MHC molecules that men are releasing. So there is a small little correlation here that women that are on the pill maybe are selecting men that they wouldn't otherwise select if they weren't on the pill. Just something to think about. All right? I'm done for tonight, and I'll see most of you on Wednesday. Some of you we have class.